Hey guys, welcome. So today we are going to solve the question number 4 of the pattern series from Striver's A2Z DSA sheet. So this is also a similar problem to the previous one. The main difference is just that we have to print the same number of digits in every row, and previously in the previous question we had to print different digits. Basically we had to print it from starting, and so in this question uh, we need to start from 1, and then we need to increment our digit in every row, and the number of digits will be same as the row number. For example, in row number 1 we have to print one digit, in row number 2 we have to print two digits and the digit will be 2 only, and in the row number 3 we have to print 3 digits and the digits will be 3 only. So this is also a simple question, so we will use nested for loop for this solution also. So let's solve this. So we will start from 1. So we have initialized the I variable with 1, and now for our inner loop we will go with 0 and less than I j plus plus. So here we will, what we will do is we will just print the value of I. So because for every row we have to print the same number of digit, and the value of the digit will be same as the row number, so it makes sense to use this value only. So we will just print this value, and our inner loop will take care of the number of digits in each row. For example, for row number 1, uh, our inner loop will go till less than I, which is here the value of I is 1, so it will run for 0. It means it will run for a single time only, so it will print 1. So let's check that. We will print the value of I along with a space, and we need a new line in each row, so this will give us a new line. Let's check it out. So hey guys, our test cases are successfully passed. Let's submit the code. So yeah guys, our solution is accepted, and see you all in a new video. Take care, bye bye.